How to share TikTok now, invite a link to your friends and followers, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to share invite link of TikTok now. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up TikTok now on your mobile phone. You can download this app on iOS and on Android phones. It is a new app by TikTok. So once you have created your account on TikTok now, we can actually invite and share the link to our friends that are not on TikTok now. For that, you can actually find the link in your friends section as well, or if you go to the profile, it will give you the link option right here. You can see beneath my username. So I'm just going to click on invite friends to TikTok now, and you can see this is going to be the link. I can send this link to WhatsApp, Facebook, Discord, or copy the link. So we can just click on the copy link option, and you can see the link has been copied, and now I can share it via email or any other social media. Or what I can do is I can directly send this link to Discord account maybe. So I'm going to select Discord. It will open up my Discord for me. You can see this is going to be the invite. Join me on TikTok now. I'm going to select the channel or a category where I want to share. Click on the share option and your TikTok now invite will be shared. Similarly, you can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter, Instagram, and more. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.